na tayo may dikti pa. Good cut, good cut.
Ben! It's good now.
2 points.
Alec, libre sa gitna, bukas. Down it. Foul.
Number 8.
That's no foul. That's a good D. That's good D, man.
Oo nga, good din rin, tinawagan eh.
Huminga ka raw eh. Wala sa warm-up. Kasi buo, huwag yung pakuhanin ng bola sa ilalim. Pag gano, kumukuha, i-prove mo lang ganon. Oh. Yeah.
Easy, easy. Easy on the ball. Let them pressure off. Let them shoot. Hold you. Money, get down. MVP talaga. Parang defense ko sa gitna.
Alan, 5 team fouls na kayo ha? Magka-penalty kayo. Good shot! Good attempt! Oh, come on! You can do that. 37, tag 3. Wala silang timeout.
Pare! Where's the defense?
Pagod na yan, ayaw, magpapalit ka na.
Ayaw mapapalit eh.
Pwede ka naman magpapalit kaagad eh.
Kaya mo sila. Pinadaan sila eh. Dumaan, pinadaan. Okay lang, kaya mo lang. Money! That's a 3, right? No?
Hindi nakita eh.
Gitna!
Pabiling yun ah.
Easy! Easy!
Take! Shot.
Told you. Let's bottom. Let's bottom. Gitna!
Patay. Oh! 41-35 ha? Baka. Hey, D!
Go straight! Go!
Good foul, Ollie, good foul.
Ali?
It's a rare foul, that's not technical.
Easy! Safety, para safety!
It's a rare good foul. For Ollie. Good rebound! Oh, good pass!
Nice! Defense!
They're pulling away. Pilipinas pulling away. It's over! Got it!
Defense!
Lang yung committee to. It's over! Come on! What? Wala pa si Toto! Hindi na. Nagsacycle na sa salamin. Come on! Nagano mo sa bibig.
Assist! That's an assist! Defense, defense! Hey, that's an assist to himself.
It's over, it's over. Come on. Good push, Nia, good push. Nia, good push.
Nakita.
It's good, that's fine. Nice drive. Nice drive.
I need a sub!
It's foul. It's foul. Ref. Good foul.
Ganun sino foul? Alex, sino foul daw?
Hindi mo kayo design, medis niya pa eh. Parang 13 eh. Nice! Woo! Good tap, good tap, good tap! Good tap, Benner, good tap! You the man! Come on.
How many fouls? Wala ba ang ano?
Maybe 3, maybe 4, we don't know yet. Around that. More or less.
Parang yung silang sa bola.
In the vicinity of some...
Silang. Wala 25 seconds pa yung hindi silang. Hello, Gary. Easy. Move that way. Pucha.
Over the back.
Over the backward. Told you move the ball, man.
Good box out, Oli. Good box out. 7 pounds. 7 pounds. Good box out, Oli. Good box out.
No.
Gapol. Anan? Apat na yan, apat. Last 2 minutes lang stop clock. Last 2 minutes.
Are, last 2 minutes, time out, ha? Time out.
Time out kayo? Last 2 minutes?
Yan, sa last 2 minutes, sa last 2 minutes.
Di ba sarap yun? Ano ba sinasabi yung time out na yan? Sabi kay Babo mo sabihin, ano ala? Hindi pwede sa akin. Baka galitan kami. Baka mabang kami rito. Oh, may laro pa kami mamaya eh.
Easy lang! Easy lang! Tira to!
Alam, di ka na pumasok.
Okay lang, kaya ko siya, okay naman eh.
Sabi siya, magpapalit ka na kanina eh. Alam ko ako palit dyan. Foul! You got a foul! Oh, come on! Foul! Oh. Stop clock.
Oy! Rep!
Mamaya, pag pumasok yung tingin ng free throw. Pag pumasok yung free throw. Pag pumasok yung free throw. Tama! Time out, Pilipinas. Ilan pa time out nila? Edison! Ed! Alan! Pilipinas 2. Welcome man. Ed! Edison! 2 more time out.